Hey guys, are you among those who got stuck by hearing about a trading strategy developed by ChatGPT, which can generate around 590% consistently? Then you are in the right place. Watch the video on how this strategy works. Before getting into the video, let's briefly introduce the chatbot. Basically, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot that gives you information within the blink of an eye. It was developed by OpenAI that came under the assistance of Elon Musk and launched in November 2022. The main attraction behind this is that it obtained more than 1 million users within a week of its launch. So what do you think is the reason for this much audience for ChatGPT? Well, the answer is it talks to us just like a human. Compared to other search engines where the answer to a question is a search result, ChatGPT provides information like how we talk to a human. So you understand the reason for the huge fan base for ChatGPT? The results other engines provide are just search results based on the most recent searches the engine has received for that particular topic. At the same time, the chatbot gives instructions for the question asked by us, just like we are talking to our friend. All this is possible because ChatGPT is a reinforced learning platform developed through consistent human training. To simplify things, based on analyzing cores of data available over the internet, the bot was trained in how humans interact and how it is made to interact like humans. It works based on likes and dislikes. Just like how we teach a kid, we reward them for good results and punish them for bad ones. I hope you've all got an idea about how ChatGPT works. Now we have a brief idea of how the stock market works. Basically speaking, a stock market is just like any other market where one can buy and sell goods. As the name suggests, the participant can buy and sell shares in a stock market. But just like any other business, the stock market also involves risk. So if a person wishes to come to trading or invest, he should acquire the basic knowledge to help him win. Basically, if a person wishes to do trading, he must know about technical analysis, chart patterns, how price action works, psychology, and the ability to read the emotions of the people trading along with him, which in turn affect the overall price movements. So if you want to succeed in trading, you must thoroughly understand the above basics. A saying that comes along with trading states, "In trading, simple things always work better." Normally people are focused on advanced techniques, leaving behind the basics. This is why most of them fail in trading. Also, you require a lot of discipline. You should consistently note down all your trades and try to learn from the mistakes that occur. Now, another thing to remember is that to succeed in the market and grow higher, you should be scaling up. This means if you are trading with 10K capital and can generate 15% monthly returns consistently for at least 6 months, you should scale up your capital to, say, 20K. Let's get into that amazing trading strategy we are all waiting for. When coming to the strategy, it was back-tested with ChatGPT containing indicators like super trend and ATR indicators. You could also build your strategy. For that, first you would need to open any chart you would like to backtest on the TradingView platform. Now, search for a super trend strategy on the indicator icon on the TradingView and select it. Now on the chart, you can see the super trend strategy is plotted below. By looking into it, the strategy becomes profitable 99% of the time, with a 40% win rate. Going deep, short positions taken are more profitable than long ones. With this as the basic tool, let's try to improve the win rate for this particular strategy with ChatGPT. For that, we need access to the source of the super trend strategy. Click on the source code of the super trend that we have already added. Now copy the script and paste it into the chatbot. Before pasting, let's make some changes to this script. Let's change the default value from 15 to 50. Now copy this and paste it on ChatGPT. When we paste this on the chatbot, we will be provided with some guidelines by the chatbot. Among them, the guideline about volatility seems to be more convincing. So now let's add the volatility indicator. This will help the trader to avoid trades when the market is in a range. Now we can ask our friend who is the most promising volatility indicator ever found. The output shows 2 filters. One is ATR and another is Bollinger Bands. We are asking our friend to create 2 scripts based on these indicators. The Bollinger Band strategy created by the bot has some errors. So let's skip that and move on with the ATR strategy. Copy the script provided by the chatbot and paste it into the source area of the TradingView platform. Change the default value to 50 again and save this code. As you will see, the chart becomes horrible. To correct this, let's remove the last line of the code. The chart now turns back to normal. We can see that the profitability offered increased. To further increase profitability, let's ask the chatbot for more ideas. As you can see, it recommended the DEMA technique. Add DEMA to the chart. Click on the source code and paste it into the chatbot. We now ask the bot to collaborate on our earlier strategy with DEMA. Now copy and paste the output provided by the chatbot and paste it into the source area of the trading view. We will now make some changes, including trading with the trend and changing the life of ATR and DEMA to 20 and 200 respectively. Now comparing our strategy with the previous one, we will realize that profitability has improved greatly, even though the number of trades is reduced. But a problem raised here is that the drop-down value has raised more than 50%. For this very purpose, with the help of the chatbot, let's incorporate an indicator for setting stop-loss orders. This could increase the profitability of the trades taken. A similar indicator called ATR can also be used, setting a stop-loss. The stop-loss will help the traders reduce their loss if they fall badly from our entry level. Search for ATR bands from TradingView and select them. A similar procedure of copying and pasting the source code in ChatGPT is done. Make sure that we are using the latest version of the script. After updating, we are incorporating ATR brands along with our strategy with the help of the chatbot. We can see some minor mistakes and we need to rectify them. Copy the code from the chatbot and paste it into the source area in TradingView. Now make sure we are using the previously made settings to the code. Now provided options for short and long positions separately. From the code we pasted from the chatbot, there is no exit code, so we need to type that separately on the code. Our exit strategy will be when the price closes above the ATR bands. Now we are adding close all functions to the strategy. This allows us to exit from all other positions if conditions are met, either target or stop loss. The other order will be canceled with the help of this. Now let's check for the results. We will use the super trend strategy to confirm whether a trend is formed. Another condition is the price needs to be trading above the 200 DEMA level and the ATR is above 5. If all these conditions are met, then a trade will be executed. We will be placing the stop loss below the ATR band, and the target is set above the top ATR band. As mentioned, the other order will be canceled if any target or stop losses are met. This is for a long position. Now, if the stock is in a downtrend, then the opposite condition needs to be true, so the price should be below the super trend to confirm a downtrend. Also, the price needs to be trading below the 200 DEMA levels, and the value of ATR should be above 5. We are ready to take a short position if all these conditions are met. The target is set below the lower ATR band, and the stop loss is set above the top ATR band. If any target or stop loss is hit, the other position must be canceled, as in the previous case. When coming to the win rate, we can see that it is above 60%. This is a good win rate. Although the number of trades where all these conditions are comparatively low, this strategy will help us take trades with a high probability. As you can see, the net profit rises to more than 200%. That valuation is jaw-dropping. With this strategy's help, we can also reduce the drop-down and increase the win rate. If we use the strategy completely in the cash market, the net profit will be increased to 600%. You are ready to jump into a trade with this strategy. I know you're excited, but before entering into a real trade, do paper trading and master it. Of course, you will lack emotions when trading, but trust me guys, you will thank me later for this tip. And with this, we come to the end of our video. I hope you all enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.